Remote IT can sound risky if you picture a distant support desk that does not know your systems, users, approvals, locations, or daily workflow. That concern is practical. 80% of IT professionals say supporting remote employees is critical, while only 61% of non-IT office workers agree their company treats it that way. Todd Long, Director of Technology at Sterling Ideas, puts it this way: remote tools let us monitor systems, troubleshoot securely, and resolve many issues without waiting for travel, which means staff can get back to invoices, approvals, email, and shared files with less disruption. That is the real value of remote IT support. It is not just about fixing a ticket after work stops. It is about business continuity, staff productivity, and IT visibility. It helps reduce repeat tickets, clarify ownership, and support the daily systems your team depends on. For growing remote, hybrid, or multi-location teams, remote IT can bring consistent standards across Microsoft 365, devices, access controls, updates, backups, endpoint protection, email security, and vendor coordination. It can also reduce hiring pressure by giving your team managed coverage without relying on one local technician or one in-house hire. Read the full article on our website and add this to your playlist.